Hey, this is Joe here at Best Trailers. I'm gonna show you this CellTech trailer. We just got this in. We've got several of these coming in for the spring, ready to go to work for all you contractors. This is an 8.5 by 20 model. Got the V-nose on the front, galvanized steel frame, so you got a real tough, heavy-duty frame, resistant to corrosion, ready to go. Adjustable coupler on the front with a 7,000 pound drop leg jack. So we even upgraded the jack. A lot of companies don't do that. Now, CellTech has got the honeycombed metal on the outside, extremely tough, extremely durable. Doesn't dent, doesn't have the ripples like the normal enclosed trailers have. 6'6" is the standard inside height. They've got side vents on them, one on the front, one on the back. You've got 5,200 pound axles on here. It is an option to get bigger axles if you want. We do start at the 52s, which is again an upgrade from what most people start at. Most people start at 35s. This one's got 52s. We can do 7,000 pound or 8,000 pounds. This one's got the ramp door here on the back. You have an option for the standard spring ramp door, or you can get the cableless spring ramp doors. We're gonna have them both ways here in stock. We're continuing with that all steel frame, the steel on the inside, wall, ceiling, and floor. This honeycomb roof right here is extremely tough. I've put trailers on top of these trailers just to show how tough they are. It's got E-track just like this going across the ceiling, to where if you're putting your ladders or your equipment or anything up there, you got something to tie down to. As well, got the E-track on the walls. You can add shelves to it, hooks to it, strap to it, anything you want. 4 D-rings standard on the inside, 1 in each corner. Galvanized fenders to go with the galvanized frame. Got the angles on the fenders, help keep you from popping tires on vehicles, trucks, a little bit more safe. You've got your standard side door here on the outside. That'll have an RV lock as well as a bar lock. Come see us today if you want one of these heavy-duty contractor trailers. Our number's 478-654-5350. We're in Byron, Georgia. That's besttrailersusa.com.